welcome to my channel. I am Sahil and from today I am going to start a new web development series in which you will learn the concept of PHP object-oriented programming. You all are already familiar with what object-oriented programming is. If you have already learned C++ or Java, then I'm sure you have some basic idea about it. PHP object-oriented programming is somehow also same as other object-oriented programming languages. If you have watched my earlier uploaded videos on PHP, then there I have used procedural oriented programming, that is POP approach. But now I will use OOP approach to create any web application. Nowadays in any software company or firm, they seek for a developer who knows how to code using OOP concepts. So you have to know how to code using OOP concepts. OOPs has many features, so I will talk about this later on upcoming videos. So for now, let's see what is object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming, commonly referred to as OOP, is an approach which helps you to develop complex applications in a way that's easily maintainable and scalable over the long term. In the world of OOP, real-world entities such as person, car, or animal are treated as objects. In object-oriented programming, you interact with your application by using objects. So this is the simple and short definition of what is object-oriented programming. Now let's see what we will cover in this series. So we will cover classes and object, then constructor and destructor function, then static properties and methods, then encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, interface, polymorphism, magic methods, and finally namespace. So total we will upload 10 videos on this series. After completing this series, I will also upload how to create CRUD application using PHP OOP concept and MySQLi and Ajax. And after that I will start uploading tutorials on Laravel framework. Okay, so for now let's create a simple hello world app using PHP object oriented approach. Okay, so first let's open your XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL, and let's open your htdoc folder and create a directory inside this folder, htdoc folder. Okay, so here I am creating php underscore oop. Okay, now I am using Sublime Text here for text editor, so I am opening this directory inside Sublime Text. Now let's create a new file, index.php, and open the PHP tags. Then for creating a new class in PHP, you have to use class keyword. Okay, and then the name of the class. So here I am keeping the class name hello. Okay, and then open the curly braces for the class body, and now in this class we can define member variables, member functions. So for creating member variable, you have to just write the access specifier and the name of the member variable. Okay, like this. But in this video I'm not going to show how to create a member variable. I'm just going to create a member function. So for creating member function, you have to use this function keyword and then the name of the function. So here I am using say hello function, and inside this function I will use echo, and I will here write hello world, and you can use br tag here, and then php oop. Okay, now this is the class and this is the function inside this class. Okay, now save this and let's go to your browser and open this project. So my project name is php underscore oop. So here you can see there is nothing, so you have to create an object of this class to access this function, and then you can display this message in the browser screen. Okay, so for this, here you have to create the object of this class. So for creating an object of the class, you have to create the object name and then new keyword and the name of the class. So my class name is hello here, so I have written object variable as object name obj and equal to new keyword and then the name of the class. And now using this obj object we can access this say hello function. Okay, so you have to just use this arrow symbol and then write the name of the function. Okay, save this and go to your browser, refresh. So here you can see the hello world message php oop by using object oriented programming. Okay, so this is just simple hello world using class and object. So in later videos I will show you in details how to create classes, member variables and member functions and object and all things. Okay, so for now this is only an introduction video of this series. Now from tomorrow I will try to upload video daily, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified, and thanks for watching.